Hello everyone, welcome to Quick DIY. So the idea of installing a hammock in our backyard came from or inspired by a recent trip to Vietnam. So the plan here is to one end of the hammock to go on the brick pillar and the other end goes on the wall, which is also the brick. So usually what I have seen is hammock is tied to a tree or nailed to a tree, but not on brick or concrete. So I haven't found much help regarding it, and it's also something new for me. I have worked with wood, timber, like during decking, and did other stuff at home, but I haven't worked much with concrete or brick. So this is out of my comfort zone. Please feel free to comment how did I do, if there is something I should have done different or taken a different approach. Keep in mind, most of the stuff I post is I'm doing it for the first time, and it's not like I straight away post these videos. I test it and see there is nothing wrong went with the whole project, and once I'm satisfied, only then I post it on anywhere. So please do feel free to comment, share, and tell me if you like something or you do not like. And thanks a lot for taking time to watch the video, and hopefully it helps you with your project.